Imagine a creature that can grow up to 10 feet long, another that waits in ambush like a predator, and one that looks like a colorful underwater Christmas decoration. What do they all have in common? These fascinating animals, including the giant Gippsland earthworm, the terrifying bobbit worm, and the vibrant Christmas tree worm, all belong to the same incredible group of creatures known as annelids. Join me as we dive into the world of these segmented wonders. What are annelids? A group of invertebrates consists of segmented forms and includes organisms like earthworms, leeches, and polychaetes. These animals are found in various environments ranging from marine and freshwater to moist terrestrial areas. All annelids share certain features in common. Let us investigate some of these characteristics. An annelid body is divided into segments both externally and internally, which gives them greater flexibility and movement control. Annelids exhibit bilateral symmetry, meaning their body has a distinct right and left side. They possess a truculum or a body cavity that helps with the distribution of nutrients and wastes. This fluid-filled cavity acts as their skeleton, a hydrostatic skeleton. In annelids, blood is contained within vessels, making their circulatory system more efficient. This type of blood system is called a closed circulatory system. Some annelid species are hermaphroditic. A single organism contains both male and female reproductive organs. Let us meet some of the unique members of the annelid phylum. 1. The Christmas tree worm. The Christmas tree worm is a small, colorful marine worm. This animal gets its name from the two spiral-shaped, tree-like crowns that extend from its body, resembling tiny, festive Christmas trees. These worms are found in coral reefs across the world's tropical oceans, including near Australia. Christmas tree worms are found primarily in coral reefs, where they burrow into the hard coral skeletons to create permanent tubes. They rely on the protection of the coral to avoid predators. Christmas tree worms are filter feeders, meaning they rely on water currents to bring food particles to them. The worm uses tiny hair-like structures called cilia to direct captured food into its mouth. These worms reproduce through external fertilization. Both male and female worms release their eggs and sperm into the water, where fertilization occurs. The larvae that develop are free-swimming and eventually settle onto a coral reef to create their burrow. 2. The bobbit worm. The bobbit worm is one of the most fascinating yet terrifying creatures in the marine world. It is found in tropical and subtropical waters, including off the coasts of Australia. Bobbit worms can grow up to an astonishing 3 meters in length. These worms are ambush hunters, waiting beneath the sand for prey to swim by. When prey comes close, they launch out of their burrows at lightning speed, using their strong jaws to grasp and pull the prey into their burrow. This attack is so fast and powerful that they can sever prey in half. At the head of the bobbit worm are 5 long, feathery antennae that act as sensory organs, helping the worm detect movement and vibrations in the water. They rely on these to locate prey since they do not have well-developed eyes. Bobbit worms are equipped with sharp, scissor-like jaws that can snap shut with incredible force. These jaws are capable of inflicting serious damage, even to larger animals. These worms are nocturnal and primarily hunt at night, staying hidden in their burrows during the day. Bobbit worms are carnivorous, preying on fish, mollusks, and other invertebrates. They often swallow prey whole after stunning or slicing it. Despite their fearsome hunting tactics, bobbit worms are non-selective feeders. They will attack almost any moving object that comes close to their burrow, including fish, crabs, and even unlucky divers' fingers if provoked. While bobbit worms are not typically dangerous to humans, their sharp jaws can inflict painful injuries if someone accidentally steps on or disturbs them. Bobbit worms can regenerate lost body parts, a feature typical of annelids. However, regeneration of the head and vital organs is limited. 3. Leeches. Leeches are segmented worms found in freshwater, marine, and terrestrial environments. Leeches have soft, flexible bodies with a flattened appearance. Most leeches have suction cups or suckers at both ends of their body, which help them attach to surfaces or hosts. Many leeches are hematophagous or blood-feeding, attaching to hosts like fish, amphibians, mammals, and humans. However, some species are predatory, feeding on small invertebrates. Historically, and even today, leeches are used in medicine to treat blood circulation issues. Their saliva contains anticoagulants, which help prevent blood clotting. Though often seen as creepy, leeches play an important role in ecosystems and have fascinating adaptations for survival. 4. The giant Gippsland earthworm. The giant Gippsland earthworm is native to the Gippsland region in Victoria, Australia. It can grow up to 3 meters in length and is one of the largest in the world. It is known for making gurgling sounds as it moves through its burrows. The giant Gippsland earthworm can grow up to 3 meters long. They can be as thick as a garden hose with a diameter of around 2 centimeters. These worms are often referred to as giants because their size far exceeds that of typical earthworms found in most regions. The giant Gippsland earthworm is considered vulnerable. This is due to its limited habitat range and the impact of human activities. Activities such as land clearing for agriculture, urban development, and road construction. Their habitats are increasingly threatened by land use changes. This is because they live deep underground and have specific habitat needs, and they are sensitive to environmental changes. Protection of their habitat is crucial for their survival. Their burrowing activity significantly improves soil aeration and drainage. By breaking down organic matter and enriching the soil, they help sustain plant life in the ecosystem. I hope this video gave you a deeper insight into the amazing world of annelids, from the giant earthworms to the colorful creatures of the coral reefs. In my next video, we'll be exploring even more fascinating phyla from the animal kingdom. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss it. I will see you soon, right here.